Welcome, everybody. The case that we're going to look at is titled Fmla Leave Requested for Surgery, fired 2 days beforehand. The employee files lawsuit in federal court. Employer accused of FMLA interference. Today is Friday, June 13th, 2025. Let's take a look at this case. So this case is was filed in the District Court, Eastern District of Wisconsin. And here is the plaintiff, and here is the defendant. And the case says the jurisdiction is proper because the case involves a federal question under the FMLA. The venue is district because the plaintiff resides in this district, and the defendant has substantial systematic contact in the district. And they go on to talk about how the employee qualifies for FMLA. So they say the defendant is a covered employer for purpose of the FMLA. The plaintiff had been employed for at least 12 months and had worked 1,250 hours during those 12 months. And then also the defendant employed at least 50 employees within the 75 miles of plaintiff's work site. So those are some of the requirements for the FMLA. They're talking about when he started. It looks like he started July 6, 2016. Plaintiff commenced employment, and he was a senior systems engineer. And he reported to a couple of managers who reported to the owner. Then he reported that he had to undergo back surgery in the near future. And then the defendant consistently questioned plaintiff regarding the anticipated timing, duration of the FMLA leave because of his back surgery. So this alleged lawsuit or complaint is saying that defendant knew or was aware the plaintiff was suffering from serious health and condition, which is he's going to have back surgery. In approximately January 2021, he communicated to the defendant that his back surgery was scheduled for February 5th. Then it's saying that the 2021 January, defendant timely received a completed FMLA medical certification of the employee's serious health condition regarding the back surgery. He properly complied with the defendant's notice policies, and then on February 3rd, 2021, he was terminated. And they're saying that he was terminated to prevent him from using the FMLA leave. The cause of action they're saying is the interference to FMLA, and then they were seeking back pay, front pay, and things like that. But if you listen to these employment lawsuits are not really worth that much because the employee has a duty to mitigate, which means that they have to be looking for work. And nobody's going to be unemployed no employee is going to be unemployed for a very long time because they have bills to pay, they have mortgage to pay. So they're the payment they're going to receive for any of these lawsuits is not great. Meaning, like when you look at the data itself, they're getting $15,000 to $20,000. And there is a caps on damages as well. So I think the decks are really stacked against the employee in these types of lawsuits. In any case, I think I just want to show you how this one was resolved. This was resolved. It looks like there was some kind of a settlement. It seems like to me, because there's a stipulation of dismissal without any cost to either party. So I take it as, or I'm reading between the lines, is that there was a dismissal. So anyway, thanks for listening. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, like, comment. Thank you very much.